So here we are at a mandir on the way to Annapurna Base Camp. So today we started climbing from Sinwa, and right now we're heading to Himalaya from what was the last place? From the one. Yeah, and then here is the beautiful fall that you can see. Quite scary as well, and very beautiful, very mesmerizing. You can see the fall over here, and also a little pond down below. It's a very huge fall. So here we are. You can see the snowfall. We can experience this snowfall. I don't know how deep the snowfall is. So far, I think it's only a few centimeters, but yeah, it can be quite dense as well. So yeah, one of the best places on our hike to Annapurna Base Camp. Hello, कस्तो लागिरहेछ त यार?
Depende, mas isso vai ir a David.